Good morning. My name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this beautiful 2005 Carrera S. This has only 55,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, shows 3 owners. The owner tells me really 2 owners because two of the owners were father-son. This car has a Porsche spec, meaning this is made by Porsche, GT3 front. It looks great. It's a Porsche part, so it's quality and it looks absolutely perfect. Also has coilover shocks, which are adjustable for height, as well as the shocks themselves are adjustable for compression and rebound. So beautiful car in beautiful shape. Newer Pirelli tires. Has a sport exhaust. Sounds dynamite. Also comes with the stock exhaust, is included with the car. This aftermarket exhaust is California smog compliant. We just got the car smogged in preparation for sale. So it's just clean as a pin. It's a clean Carfax. That's posted online. Shows very little wear. We'll go for a quick drive, but before we do, I'll show you the trunk and I have photos of underneath the car as well posted. This is the sticker receipt for the IMS bearing update that this car received, and it's all documented. It's clean as a pin. The paint is very good. It's not absolutely perfect, but it's close. Shows a few little imperfections, but some of that would come out just with a really good detail buff paint doctor. All clean as a pin here. It's all completely stock. As I said, it just passed the California smog. So we'll go for a quick ride. These are great cars, as I'm sure I'm singing in the choir, but you guys I'm sure know that are watching. These cars go like stink. If it was mid-engine, Cayman with this power plant, it would be near perfect. So you can hear that exhaust is certainly healthy. So it's a 6-speed manual, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, blah, blah, blah. These cars go like stink. I'm not going to show you because I've got no belt on. But it's perfect. Just absolutely perfect. Has the fuel light on, and I don't have my seatbelt on. That's why it's dinging and singing, but everything on this car works. The guy who owns this is very particular about this car. Very particular, which is exactly what you want. Brakes are perfect. Good hard pedal. Shift perfect. No play. These cars are fantastic. Like I said, one of my favorite cars. If it was mid-engine like a Cayman, it'd be about perfect. But these are comfortable, extremely fast, extremely reliable. Really the best of all worlds. And this is in really good condition. This is clean, has a good service history, some nice upgrades using quality stuff. The GT3 front nose is a Porsche piece. Means that it's quality. It fits properly. These cars absolutely fly. This front end, these coilovers make the car feel very planted, very stable, very tracks, laser straight. So let's review 2005 Carrera S, 55,000 miles, 3 owners, maybe 2 owners, depending if you follow the owner being father-son. Clean as a pin, has the coilovers, new tires, has the IMS bearing work completed with the receipts, GT3 front, comes with the stock exhaust as well as the exhaust that's on it. Exhaust is on it, is California compliant, it's freshly smogged. Let me know if you have any questions. Being sold by a motivated seller. Thank you.